Okay, so I just washed my hair, I moisturized it, and I let it air dry. So I sectioned it off already, and I'm gonna take the back section, and I am going to braid 5 braids going down, and I'm gonna add some braiding hair to those braids. And they don't have to be like perfectly straight, like the lines don't have to be straight, or like the braids don't have to be perfect, because they're gonna get covered up anyway. And you don't have to add the braiding hair to it. I just like to add it because my hair is short, and I don't want it to come down in the back where my hair is shorter at, or to loosen up. And so I'm gonna braid that one a little ways down. And I'm going to take this braid right here, I'm going to pull it up and add it to that one, and just continue braiding. Okay, now I'm going to start on this side. And so I just pull those both in and continue braiding down. And I know the braids probably looking crazy, and they're probably uneven, and the parts are uneven and crooked, but like I said, you won't be able to see it. So I'm using some hair that I had left over from a previous hairstyle that I did, and I think I have like a bag and a half of it left over. But this is the hair right here. It's the Bobbi Boss Jamaica Braid. It's right here. I'm not even sure if this is going to look right, how this is gonna look, or if I even have enough of the hair to complete the whole hairstyle, but we shall see. So I got my crochet hook, and I'm just going to start crocheting the hair to the braids in the back. First, I want to take this little piece, and I want to pull it through. I would just cut the rest of that off. Just gonna take that. I'm gonna loop it through twice and pull. We should be good with that. Put my finger right there, and then put another one right above that one. And I'm going under the whole braid, because the braid is, this one kind of is, but you don't feel like they're that thick, so. So this is just one pack right here. I don't know, y'all. I don't think I like how it's looking, but I'm gonna keep going. Okay, y'all, so this is 2 bags right here, and I can't see, but it feels like it's filling in pretty nice. I got one more, well, a half of a bag left, so let's hope this fills all the rest of this in. So this is, what, a pack and a half. Okay, so I feel like I might need to add a couple more right in here at the top. But I'm gonna do the front first and see how it looks before I add those pieces in. I'm gonna do 4 braids at the top, and I'm gonna try to do the feed-in braids. I really suck at them, so I hope that this turns out right. So I'm gonna take all these loose leftover pieces and I'm gonna take a rubber band, this rubber band, well, you can't see, this little black rubber band right here, and I'm gonna wrap it around it and then pull it through so it gives me like this little hook right here. Just take this and go ahead and wrap it around first. Okay. And I'm gonna add this on. And I'm just going to wrap until I get the look that I like. Hairpins. All right, okay, so I don't feel like I need to add any more in the back. I feel like the bun is covering up the space that I felt like I needed to cover. So I'm just leave it alone. I'm going to redo my edges. Right, I think we got this little look here. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. I think that with my makeup and everything on, that I am digging the hairstyle a lot more. I don't know, does anybody else feel like that? They're not sure if they like a hairstyle or, you know, something that's going on. Maybe even an outfit or something. But then when they put on their makeup, you're like, oh, okay. Okay, this kind of cute. But yeah, so like I told y'all before, this was just some hair that I had laying around the house that I had some extra of that I used from a previous hairstyle before. I didn't buy anything for this hairstyle. I used everything that I already had here at home. It literally took me 43 minutes to complete this hairstyle. So yeah, if you need something quick, and you don't feel like going to the store, or you don't want to go to the store, or you can't go to the store, or you don't have the money to buy some hair, and you got some stuff laying around the house, you can do this style with any kind of hair. crochetable. Okay, y'all, so that is it for this video. And if you want to see how I got this makeup look, I will leave a link to that video in the description box below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below. As always, y'all, if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. Don't forget to tap the bell button so that you are notified every time that I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.